A new study has shown that strange parallel grooves on the surface of Phobos, the largest moon of Mars, could indicate that the satellite is being torn apart by the planet's gravity. A new study demonstrates that the extreme gravitational forces exerted by the red planet on Mars' largest moon, Phobos, are tearing it apart. Previously thought to be scars left by an ancient asteroid impact, the strange grooves that cover Phobos' surface are dust-filled canyons that are getting wider as the moon is stretched out by gravitational forces. Phobos is around 17 miles, 27 kilometers, across at its largest point and circles Mars, a good ways off of 3,728 miles, 6,000 kilometers, finishing a full revolution around the red planet multiple times consistently, as per NASA. In comparison, one orbit of Earth's moon takes approximately 27 days to complete and is approximately 2,159 miles, 3,475 kilometers, wide and 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers, from our planet. However, Phobos' orbit around Mars is not stable, unlike that of the Moon. NASA says that the tiny satellite is stuck in a death spiral and falls 6 feet, 1.8 meters, every 100 years towards the surface of Mars. However, perhaps the most peculiar feature of Phobos is its enigmatic stripy surface. Equal notches, or surface striations, cover the Moon. The most common explanation is that the striations were created when an asteroid struck Phobos at some point in the past, leaving behind Stickney, a 6-mile, 9.7-kilometer, wide crater on the Moon's flank. However, a new study, which was published on November 4 in the Planetary Science Journal, suggests that the grooves could be the result of the Moon slowly being torn apart by the strong gravity of Mars as Phobos gets closer and closer to the surface of the planet. The new research is based on the idea that a smaller body, in this case, Phobos, will begin to stretch out in a line toward the larger body as it gets closer to a larger one, like Mars. The tidal force is the term for this. As Phobos gets closer to the surface of Mars, it is anticipated that the tidal force it exerts on the Moon will grow until it eventually surpasses the gravity that holds the satellite together. According to the study, Phobos will be completely deconstructed at that point, and the debris will likely form a small ring around the planet, similar to Saturn's rings. The Moon's powdery or fluffy composition, which makes it too soft for such cracks to form, has largely discredited the theory that tidal forces produced Phobos' tiger stripes. The idea that the Moon's fluffy surface may rest atop a sublayer that is somewhat cohesive was put to the test in the new study through computer simulations. According to the simulation, a hard shell that was buried could have formed deep canyons where surface dust could have fallen, resulting in surface-visible grooves. According to the authors of the paper, modeling Phobos as a rubble pile interior overlaid by a cohesive layer, we find that the tidal strain could create parallel fissures with regular spacing. In about 40 million years, Phobos will have completed its death spiral and reached Mars. However, researchers wrote that the satellite could be destroyed long before then if tidal forces are already breaking apart the Moon. To land a spacecraft on both Phobos and Deimos, the Japanese Space Agency, or JAXA, will launch a new mission in 2024 called Martian Moon Z Exploration, MMX. What's going on with Phobos' striped surface should be clear from the samples brought back in 2029. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments section. And if you enjoy our content, and never want to miss a video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.